A police officer responded to reports of a suspicious man, but quickly got confused. A neighbor reported seeing a suspicious stranger knocking on the front door, so an officer stopped by to check on the homeowners. Then this happened.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Hi.
Hello,
I'm
sir.
Jody. I'm
I'm the
the
one that called.
homeowner. I'm at work, and my daughter's, I think she's
Are you talking to my wife right now?
But my husband reached out to you
Yes,
guys.
talking to the wife, yes.
Okay, you
Yeah,
can
because there was
call the
a
guy
man
first.
and
I don't
he
know
was
if it was
going
just
through our
an
mailbox. He was
accidental,
knocking
came to
on
the
our
wrong
door,
house,
but we
because he
weren't sure
does
if he
say
had the
something
wrong
at the
house.
end of the video, but I'm not too sure, because he did knock on
hear
the
me?
door afterwards, but then he took off.
Yeah, sorry, both of you are coming through at the same time.
All right, I'll let her talk.
Okay, I'll let my husband
talk
talk
to you, okay?
All right, thank you.
I'm gonna
All right,
hang up.
thank you, sir.
Okay, I'm sorry, go ahead.